Hello, everybody. So this is the continuation of yesterday's work with these graphs. All right. So we're going to set a equal to 1 and h and k are set to 0. So you see how you've got a vertical asymptote right here at x equals 0 and a horizontal asymptote here at y equals 0. H is in charge of moving left or right. So if you want to move the the vertical asymptote, like let's say to the left 7, then you are going to type in -7 for h. But realize x minus the h value, which is -7, would be x minus -7. So it would look like x plus 7 down here. So x plus 7 will result in moving everything to the left 7 units. If it were x plus, if h were +7, then you have x minus +7, which is x minus 7, and that would move it to the right 7 units. The k value, so let's get back to 0, the k value moves it up or down, the k amount. So if you want this, the normal horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. If you want the horizontal asymptote to be y equals 2, you need to move this up 2 units. So when the k value is +2, it'll go up. If k value, the bigger k gets, the higher the horizontal asymptote gets. And if it goes on into the negatives, so does the horizontal asymptote. Let's practice here. So the a value is 1. The a value is 1. So it's y equals a over x minus h plus k. That's the parent function. And I know my a value is 1. So what is the h? So how far, I obviously went to the left, but how far to the left did that vertical asymptote actually go? It looks like it went to the left 7. So x plus 7, or x minus -7. And then now the horizontal asymptote. Remember, the original is at y equals 0. So this one moved up. How far did that horizontal asymptote move up? It moved up plus 2. So this function is 1 over x plus 7 plus 2. For this one, y equals 1 over what plus what? So first figure out your movement left and right. You see how the vertical asymptote is at x equals 0. So you did not move left or right at all. So it's going to be y equals 1 over x. You could write -0, but don't need to because you didn't move left or right at all. But you see, you did go down some value. The original horizontal asymptote is right here at y equals 0. Can you see that it got shifted down to that level at -4? So the horizontal asymptote moved down 4 places. So -4 would be that function. We'll keep on practicing this tomorrow, but the next thing we need to get good at is what if the a value doesn't equal 1? So here, we first of all figure out our shift left or right. Here's the original vertical asymptote, and I hope you can see that it got moved to the left 2 units. So I went to the left 2. So it's going to be, I don't know a, but to the left 2 means x plus 2. And then what about the horizontal asymptote? The original is y equals 0. And down here, it's y equals -5. So it shifted down 5 units. So everything went down 5. Now, A, we don't know what A is. How am I going to find A? You've done this a lot last semester. It's the same way. We pick one ordered pair. It doesn't matter which ordered pair we use. And we're going to use this one since it's given to us. We're going to plug in -1 for X and -2 for Y. And we're going to solve for A. So this is -2 equals A over 1 minus 5. I add 5 to both sides. 3 equals A over 1. So 3 equals A. Don't stop there because you're not done. The final answer is 3 over X plus 2 minus 5. All that work showing me how you found A is totally necessary. So again, we started with how far did I move to the left? I moved to the left 2. That is indicated right there. And then how much did I move up or down? Well, the horizontal asymptote moved down 5 units. So that's how I have the -5. And then the most work I had to do is finding out A. So you plug in the X value that you're given and the Y value, and you find A. All right, what is this one? So let's figure out our movement left and right. The original is X equals 0, and it didn't move left and right. There's still a vertical asymptote at X equals 0. So this is Y equals 8 over X. The horizontal asymptote, normally at Y equals 0, where is it now? It's right there. Can you see that it went up 3 units? It went up 3 units. So everything got vertically shifted up 3. Now I have to find A. So you plug in X for 3, you plug in 3 for X and 3.5 for Y. And then solve. I can subtract 3 on both sides, multiply both sides by 3, and now I have my final answer. 1.5 over X plus 3.